Guys, we're here again making another video for you guys. We hope you enjoy it. We are into the small RC cars. We have a TRX4 Bronco, and we've just added to our fleet a TRX4M for my oldest son, Graham. Everybody tell Graham happy birthday. His birthday was yesterday, 11 years old today, and he's just added another cool feature to his TRX4M. His aunt and his uncle and his cousins got him a trailer to go behind his TRX4M. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. We'll show you some footage of that.
Ford Bronco going through the trails in the forest. Go. Let me keep going. Hey, keep going.
잡아 왜飞思考啊不走人呼嘿哇塞撒旦把他们熄了风向轨擦死没事那小子不行死个废我的露出的破着才玩游戏在布鲁斯那里操作威廉威斯利力气如蛋白质弄在他脸上我说
This is how legends are made up on the throttle, victory is mine. Show you the harder the battle, harder I fight. I've come too far to quit. Step back, I'm going in. I'm cranking up on the throttle. This is how legends are made.
Everybody, I hope you guys did enjoy. And we have another one wanting to do his outro. So let's hear it.
What's up? I hope you liked my video today. Bye.
We'll see you on the next one. Peace.
This is how legends are made.